Hello, I'm back again. This one is cleaned. I've done something special with it. It's powder coated metallic grey, and I'm going to install the whole thing. First of all, this one is sandblasted and plated again in zinc, so it looks like new, but it's not new, it's second hand. And one important thing is to use grease, ball bearing grease. Put it in place like that. Excess grease, take it away, and now I see I have a problem. Is that correct or not correct? Yes, it's correct. It's not a problem. I thought maybe it's too short what I have, but it's not a problem, I see. Then I have to improvise, because there is a special seal or ring made from cotton or cloth, whatever. I'm using an O-ring, so it keeps the dirt out. So it's not much. And now there is a special thing. And this one is used, this one is old, so I have to adjust it a little bit. I have to modulate. Yeah, you can hear me with a hammer. There are the special teeth, and the special teeth are there. So that's what you need. And now it won't fit, almost not. So, okay. When it is there, it's completely wrong, and that means it's almost too far. So that's fine. This is the old type. I do not know if it is. This is down. I think it has to go up, but I'm not sure about it. And now I see there. Sorry, there is a little point there, and also there. So that is one thing where it's supposed to go. And why it won't fit, I do not know at the moment. And then when you... Yes, that seems right. Okay. I can always use some cool. Down, wheel, top, yes. Now that one is installed, but I don't want to have grease inside a braking area, because when there is grease, dirt will stick on it, and the braking performance is a little bit low, I think. So when you use grease, don't use much, it won't help you. So that's enough. Oh, it's my lucky day. I can use this. Why? Okay. I used the old ones are not nice. That's not good. What's the difference between them? I see those. It's not good. Godverdorie. Tje. Just almost nothing. It's not working. Okay, I have to sorry, I need some time. I'm going to make the holes a little bit bigger, and not by a drill or drilling machine, only by hand with a special tool. It's not normal, but this one is cheap rubbish. I bought it in China for the Honda Steed, and it doesn't fit. So that's not funny. So I have to adjust this. Luckily I don't sell this to customers because I want to try it out. Now I know I don't have to sell this. This is original, but there it is very thin. Also there, so this one is used too much. Okay, I have to adjust this. See you later. Thanks.